Welcome back. Next, I'm going to be going through everything I got while I was at Burning Bridge Antique Mall. Now, when I say my next Whatnot sale, that's going to be this coming Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So you can find me on Whatnot at FollowThatBug. Everything else goes to my Etsy shop, which the link is in the description. It's on the little click titles. I have a direct link, followthatbug.net. Let's get started. I got a bunch of stuff there. I love a good stuffed animal, and one of my favorite vendors ever of all time has this like super epic booth there. You have to follow her. I'm gonna put her Instagram link in the description here. I got this super cute plush duck. I couldn't resist. It was only $10.40. So cute. I love its big eyes. Wait, I have to show you this super neat thing that she sent me. So her Instagram name is Trashy13. Look at this epic sign she made me. I love it. I've hung it over my desk. It's just so cool, super creative, big fan. You have to check her out. She restores toys. She does, modifications, and she is the neatest. Next up, I got this little poodle figurine. It is made in Japan. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say it's supposed to have fur up at the top of its head as well as on the sides. A lot of the times when there's fur missing, you can kind of see where the sticky thing was. This one was pretty clean and it was only $3. This one will go on Whatnot just because I've had so many versions of it on my Etsy. And when I do my Whatnot sales that aren't a set price, like sometimes I'll have $5 sales, sometimes I'll have $10 sales, where everything starts off at a certain price. When they're not fixed price sales, I want to make sure I have all different starting bid price ranges. This one will also go on Whatnot. This is probably one of my favorite things I've ever found. These are really kind of hard to find, honestly. They go for pretty decent money. I've never seen the cat one before. What did I pay for this? I feel like I paid a lot. Nope, I didn't pay as much as I thought I did, actually. $15.30. This is an epic steal. They are made by Lego Japan. Now, what's also incredible about this is a lot of the times these banks have like massive little chips and stuff. This one is in near pristine condition. And you know how I love my Kitschy cats. Now, this one is by Usago. I've had this one before. There's also one that says like happy anniversary or happy birthday. So stinking cute. The last one I sold was for $50 on my Etsy. But of course, that includes my US shipping fee, since all orders on my Etsy ship free, 35 and up in the United States. So for this one, I paid $17. I'm going to go ahead and post it for the same amount on my Etsy. Again, I paid $17 for it. I paid up for it just because I couldn't resist. It's been so long since I've had one, and I just kind of have a soft spot for it. It's also one of those things where, like, if it doesn't sell, then I pull, if I need a gift, I pull from my Etsy shop. And another one. This is so fabulous. I never find them anymore at a decent price with the whiskers, the fur all intact, and its original faux flower. I paid $15.30 for it. I want to say my average sold price for these is about $46. Of course, that includes, like I just explained, my US shipping fee on Etsy. These will go to Etsy for sure. So cute, so kitschy. I mean, it's even got the original collar. Love it. Here's another item I picked out especially for Whatnot. I love anything that has this super fine, detailed, textured paint. Now, I paid $8.50 for it. I thought the landscape was beautiful. It was really well done, and I loved the bird here. It almost looked like a swan, but I think it's a goose. It is Noritake, made in Japan, hand-painted, $8.50. I thought it would be a fun thing for Whatnot. Like I said, I've been trying to pick up more stuff and branch out more on Whatnot especially. My Etsy shop is still pretty focused on hardcore kitschy stuff, but it is fun to like kind of get creative and pick up stuff that I see while I'm out that I usually would like, but I'm like, I don't know how that would sell in my Etsy. So branching out has been really fun, and I hope it does all right, because I'd like to pick up more stuff like this in the future. This was an awesome one. Now, whereas I sometimes knock white, I love the shape to this. I also really am a sucker for hobnail. Hobnail and coin dot. Sorry, I have some like sticky stuff that I'm trying to get off of it without getting up to wipe it down. I think I'm gonna have to get up and wipe it down actually. All right, I'm back. I was being kind of lazy. I didn't want to get up. Now, I only paid $8.50 for it. I love the shape to it. And like I said, I have kind of a soft spot for hobnail and coin dot. Just a funky shape at $8.50. It was a safe bet for sure. This will go on Etsy. I've sold things like this on Etsy in the past, and they've gone pretty quickly. Here's another Whatnot purchase. Like I said before, I love this fine textured paint, and I loved the color of it. Now, I am hesitant a lot to buy things in this style that are not marked on the bottom because it makes me nervous that they're reproduction. However, because of the price, the color, and the texture, and this like little handled with the puff paint kind of, I thought it was just so fun, and the pink dots, everything about it was just fun, and I thought it would be good for Whatnot. I only paid $6.50. I also grabbed this hobbyist piece. I'm not sure if this is going to go on Whatnot or Etsy. It's probably going to go on Etsy. It's got a couple little nicks, honestly. It's got a chip right here that I didn't see. I knew that it was like, had some imperfections to it because it is a handmade item. It's made out of a mold. You can see here where it's been signed. I only paid $8.50 for it. I thought it was a really fun shape. It's I love the concave right there, and the fact that it was textured. Just super unique. So I won't sell it for that much. $8.50. I don't regret it. And like I said, I've been trying to branch out. Now this, I'm going to go ahead and just call it an ashtray, a bird ashtray. I only paid $6.50 for it. This will be a Whatnot. It is German Bavaria. I love ashtrays, and just something about it was kind of speaking to me. And like I said, for $6.50, it was a fun item to kind of gamble and experiment with price on Whatnot, because I don't sell stuff like this a lot in my Etsy shop. I have before, but it's not my normal go-to. Now, all that stuff I got for under $100. I paid $97 for everything you just saw, which is an epic deal. I am super excited to get on Whatnot. I hope you guys follow me, and maybe I'll even be able to do some sold updates. It's a lot to keep track of, so we'll see about that in the future. Like I said, this is only my second weekend, so it's kind of a trial and error situation happening. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. There's a lot more shopping to go.